The Masjid al-Haram in Mecca is bathed in the golden light of sunrise. The Kaaba's black cloth shimmers, reflecting the first rays of the morning sun. The adhan echoes, establishing a serene and spiritual atmosphere. Mina's white tents symbolize the culmination of the Hajj pilgrimage. The scene represents the pilgrims' devotion and unity during this sacred time. The organized arrangement of the tents reflects the structured nature of the Hajj rituals. Eid al Adha, an Islamic festival, is visually introduced through floating Arabic calligraphy. The English translation, Festival of Sacrifice, follows the Arabic calligraphy, reinforcing the festival's central theme. The visual presentation emphasizes the cultural and religious significance of Eid al Adha. Prayer mats are laid out in the courtyard of an Istanbul mosque, symbolizing a place of communal worship. The scene depicts the global unity of Muslims during Eid prayers. The crimson sky at dawn signifies the commencement of morning Eid prayers. Takbir-e-Tashreeq is a declaration glorifying Allah during the days of Eid al Adha. The Takbir-e-Tashreeq text, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah, Wallahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Walillahil hamd, translates to Allah is the greatest. Allah is the greatest. There is no God but Allah. Allah is the greatest. Allah is the greatest, and to Allah belongs all praise. Reciting Takbir-e-Tashreeq serves as a reminder of Allah's greatness and blessings during the festive period. A bustling Moroccan market is adorned with vibrant spice stalls and marigold garlands. The market's festive decorations symbolize preparations for Eid al Adha. The vibrant colors and bustling activity reflect the cultural richness of the market. Hands meticulously tie colorful ribbons onto charity baskets, symbolizing generosity and festive giving. The act of tying ribbons represents a tangible contribution to charitable causes during the festival. Colorful ribbons visually represent the diverse range of support and contributions made to the community. The Tashriq days, 11th-13th of Dhu al-Hijjah, are marked by joy and celebration. These days are a period of communal happiness and festivity. Celebrations during Tashriq foster a sense of unity and shared experience. Eid coins sparkle within decorative pouches, embodying the tradition of gifting to children during Eid. The act of giving Eid coins in decorative pouches symbolizes generosity and celebration during the Eid holiday. These Eid gifts foster joy and strengthen bonds between generations within families and communities. The Prophet's Mosque in Medina, with its radiant green dome, serves as a focal point for Hajj rituals. Eid al Adha is intrinsically linked to the broader pilgrimage of Hajj, symbolizing sacrifice and devotion. Drone footage captures the scale and significance of the Hajj rituals performed at the Prophet's Mosque. Tawaf is symbolized by circling patterns in Islamic tiles. These circling patterns represent the pilgrim's circumambulation of the Kaaba. The circular motion embodies devotion and unity in Islamic ritual. Ayam-e-Tashriq holds religious significance within Islam. Surah al-Hajj 28 mentions remembering Allah on appointed days, connecting to Ayam-e-Tashriq. The phrase "remember Allah on appointed days" reinforces the importance of Ayam-e-Tashriq. A serene river reflects the starlight, symbolizing the tranquility of Bangladeshi night. Festive meals symbolize the importance of family gatherings and traditions. These gatherings emphasize community and togetherness, core values within Bangladeshi culture. An open Quran displays Surah al-Baqarah, symbolizing the Quran's central role in Islamic life. The Quran serves as a foundational text, guiding principles, and a source of spiritual reflection for Muslims. The presence of the Quran in a Damascus mosque library underscores its historical and cultural significance. Calligraphy embodies artistic richness within Islamic traditions. The art of calligraphy is deeply intertwined with Islamic cultural heritage. Calligraphy enhances the celebratory atmosphere of Eid. Intricate details in calligraphy highlight the cultural significance of Islamic art. Eid al Adha embodies the principles of faith, love, and sacrifice. The festival emphasizes unwavering faith and devotion to spiritual values. Love and compassion are central to the spirit of Eid al Adha, fostering unity and empathy. Sacrifice, a key theme, symbolizes the willingness to give up something valuable for a greater good.